Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make split screen on Videoleap. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Videoleap application and then log into your account if you haven't done so already, using your email address and your password. Now, once you have logged in, you will be taken into the home page where you will be shown various contents created by various creators. Now simply tap on the plus icon at the bottom to work on a new project, or tap on the projects option to work on any recent project. Now once you open up the project that you want to work on and select your video, you will be taken into the timeline editor. Now in order to use split screen, you will need two different videos that will appear side by side in your video. So go ahead and add another layer into your video and you can move this to the top layer. Now first select the top layer and then resize by pinching and zooming. You can then simply move this video around and set it to the position or crop it as you wish to. Then select the other layer and then you can resize this as you wish as well. Make sure that your split screen is accurate enough and straight within the canvas. Once all of your satisfied settings have been set up, you can tap on the play button to see the preview of how your video looks. And when you're satisfied, you can simply tap on the export button at the top right corner and tap on save video to save your video. And now you have successfully created a split screen clip on Videoleap. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.